If you're an entrepreneur who understands the power of content marketing for business conversions, which is what my YouTube channel is all about, and you're like, I and or my team can create and post content on the daily on Instagram so we can keep up with organic content marketing. And I understand that Instagram Reels is super important to the company called Meta that owns Instagram. So I know I should be creating them. But I've been holding off on creating them because I'm like, can you make money from Instagram Reels? Because if you can't, I'm an entrepreneur. I don't have time for kiddie nonsense. Well, if any of this sounds like you, well then this video is for you. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to learn about crafting content that converts content consumers into actual customers. I've got 8 years of experience coaching thousands of students across the world under my belt, and today I'm gonna answer the question, can you make money from Instagram Reels? But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Okay, so the short answer is, as an entrepreneur, yes, you can. When in Rome, do what the Romans do, as they say. On Instagram, when you're on their platform, you as the creator, even as an entrepreneur and not some kiddie influencer wannabe, yes, even you have to do what the platform owners and company officers want you to do. Creating Instagram Reels is super important to your success on Instagram today. Don't believe me? Instagram CEO Adam Mosseri has come right out and laid out the top 4 priorities for Instagram as a company. And Instagram Reels are literally the top of the list. Quick note, Instagram is owned by a bigger company called Meta, which also owns Facebook and a host of other things too. So if the platform literally is telling you to create Instagram Reels and there's only one piece of content you can create per day for that platform, make it an Instagram Reel, keep the option toggled on to publish it also to your main feed, and once it's published, share it to your Instagram story for the day. Boom! You've covered 3 bases for the price of 1 on Instagram. But can you make money from your Instagram Reels? Yes, I just said yes, you can. You can do it directly and you can do it indirectly too. So let's move on to make money from Reels directly. Whatever you might make from Instagram's creator fund aside, if you end up qualifying, and as an entrepreneur, that extra little money might not be what you care about. You need to sell your products, your programs, your services, your offerings, right? That's why you're doing content marketing in the first place, on or off of Instagram. If your content marketing doesn't convert to you as an entrepreneur, it's not worth it. So #1, at least 1 Instagram Reel you publish per week should have a direct sales-based call to action in it. I know this sounds kind of basic, but if you're, shall we say, a more mature entrepreneur, you might be thrown off kilter because you're creating video-based content to begin with. Instagram Reels is a whole different animal to you, and you might not be thinking of putting a call to action in your content if it's an Instagram Reel. And this is a mistake. You want conversions? Ask for them in terms of what you say in the reel. Sure, it can be you talking without even music or sound effects in the background. You can layer things in too, but if you want to keep it simple, keep things simple. In the beginning, that makes sense, right? So say that an item you're showcasing in your up to 60-second Instagram Reel is for sale, and people should go to the link in bio to scoop up a coupon good for their first purchase with your business. Now's as good a time as any for me to mention that on my YouTube channel, there's a video called Why Your Link in Bio on Instagram Shouldn't Be to Your Website. And you need to check that video out after you're finished watching this one. I've been a coach for 8 years. You would not believe how often making that link in bio go to an email opt-in form can transform someone's business conversions, including the most important one, which is, of course, sales. But there's so many ways to get people to opt into your email list. Scoop up their coupon and get the sale after you're done showcasing a product or service, or discussing your upcoming program, or whatever. Telling them in the video is one way. Putting a text overlay with the call to action is another way. Maybe putting that call to action in the caption is yet another way. And you get up to 2,200 characters in each caption for your reels, including your hashtags, and you get up to 30 of those. And yes, per Mr. Mosseri, your hashtags for reels must go in the caption, but you've got plenty of room for everything. Trust me, in a caption of that size. Make it rain, make money by not being shy about capturing those leads onto your email list and getting them to that first purchase with a coupon. Getting the first sale is always the hardest. If your offerings and customer service knock your new customer out, the second sale is way easier to get. But you can also make money from reels indirectly. When you're a solopreneur or you have a small business, it's tough to score sales versus legacy brands that are fighting for sales for the same customer base as you're in. How to level the playing field and get more people to become aware that your business exists? It's easy. Create content that Instagram is going to give a big push to right now, meaning Instagram Reels, that will get people to become aware of your business's existence as well as its offerings, one well-optimized piece of content at a time. You can optimize your content well with keywords in the caption and hashtags also in the caption, both of which can get pulled up in search because nowadays Instagram is a huge social media search engine. And if you don't know how to leverage Instagram SEO, I have an entire playlist having to do with the topic. So once you're done with those videos, you'll be good to go. In fact, it might just give you an unfair advantage. When people become aware of your existence through these reels, they're going to see your offerings on display in those videos. They'll also see, if you're smart, not just sales-based content, but relationship-based content that entertains, educates, and/or inspires them, with every such reel tastefully, strategically showcasing or starring your products too. You'll get more followers this way, and even if they don't hop onto your email list immediately and/or buy from you immediately, guess what? Today, millennials and Generation Z especially would rather buy from smaller brands than bigger ones a lot of the times. And they'll make purchases from businesses that are smaller, more grassroots, but they have to know, like, and trust them. How do you do that? Not just with sales-based marketing that says, buy my stuff all the time, but with relationship marketing-based content too. Content that shows that you care about whatever problem your ideal customer is struggling with. The accent mark must be on them in a lot of your Reels-based content, but sure, you're a business, so straight-up sales-based Reels content works too. No one's going to be mad at a business going for sales, but they're more likely to buy from businesses that show they love their ideal customers and is all about helping that person get out of pain and into pleasure. That is the type of small business that people want to support today. Make sense? So, now, I want to hear from you. Are you going to be creating Reels now, or at least creating more Instagram Reels from now on? Well, go ahead, comment below. I do read your comments. And if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing your trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to pick up called 10 Reasons Why You're Viewed as a Fake Guru and How to Gain Credibility and Customers Instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below. There you have it. You now have my answer to the question of, Can you make money from Instagram Reels? Need more help? Be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos too, because they'll teach you some more great content marketing strategies.